Hi, this is Vibha from IVTV. Today I am going to interview Miss Karishma Khadikar, who is an international player. Hello Karishma.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so at what age did you start your sports?
So right from childhood I was fond of sports, and at the age of 9 I started playing badminton, and also at the age of 9 I completed my Indian Navy training for the period of 1.5 years, and that's why I
Okay.
started taking steps towards achieving my goals.
Okay, very good, excellent. So who are your trainer and guide in this field?
Firstly my parents, and under their guidance I took decision about my career. They gave me options for my career like yoga, badminton, karate, military, etc. And I chose badminton as my career. My first coach was Baste sir, then Manohar sir, Shrikant Wad sir from Thane, Manohar Godse sir, Jitesh Padukone sir, Mitesh Hajarni sir, Supriya Devgan ma'am, and Sachin Bhati sir. They all are from Mumbai. Then Mitesh Hajarni sir and Suhas Naise sir from Nagpur. Then Shiv Kumar sir and Mandeep Singh from Raigad. Then Mohan Academy from Tamil Nadu. And Suchitra Academy and their team from Hyderabad. Then Deepak Sabke uncle from Mumbai, then Lakshman Jadhav sir from Jalgaon, my school teacher Swati Kulkarni ma'am, and then Prahlad Dada from Jivan Vidya, then retired Commissioner Mishra uncle, then Salome ma'am from Israel, then Indonesian coaches, and then orthopedic surgeon Pritish Khardikar, then Dr. Chaitanya from Pune, Dr. Nachiket from Bangalore. They all have guided me.
Okay, very good. Okay, Karishma, do you think is there any difference in the badminton training provided by our country and international country?
In our India, we have very good guidance, and also Indian coaches focus on the capability of the players and train them in such a way that they can achieve their goals and target. And also they motivate the players and guide them properly. And in international, they focus on the health and physical fitness more.
Okay, very good, excellent. Okay, now tell me who is the inspiration?
For me, every player is an inspiration because they inspire me in some or the other way. But my biggest inspiration is PV Sindhu Didi because she had practiced in front of me, and looking at her passion and target oriented attitude inspired me every single day. And also, her father gave me some tips while I was practicing, so that inspired me a lot.
Okay, really good. Okay, Karishma, tell me, how did you stay fit and healthy in the lockdown period also?
As we all know, health is wealth, so it's very necessary to stay fit and healthy all the time for sports players. And so in lockdown period, I strictly followed my diet and daily did yoga and exercise for 3 to 4 hours, and also with discipline, dedication, desire.
So let me ask you, apart from badminton, in which other social activity or field you are indulging in?
I always play volleyball and chess apart from badminton, and also carom. And whenever I win the amount, I always give to Anath Ashram kids and school villages for their needs.
Okay, really great. Okay, Karishma, what challenges did you come across in getting to where you are today?
I have faced many difficulties during my training session, and I have learned those difficulties to overcome them with the help of my family members. And whenever a new challenge came across me, I always take as a new opportunity.
Okay. Karishma, as we all know, you have played many tournaments. Up till now, which is your happiest moment related to badminton?
When I won Qatar tournament, I won under 17 and 19 singles, and few people greeted me really nice at that time, and few people took pictures with me, so that was the happiest moment for me.
Okay. Okay, Karishma, in case you lose any match, how did you overcome that?
I always analyze my mistakes so that I don't repeat them again, and also my parents and coaches help me to analyze them, and they always motivate me so that I can perform really well in the upcoming next tournament.
Karishma, do you think attitude is a factor in winning?
Yes, attitude is factor in winning because whenever I keep my positive attitude, I can play really well. And whenever you will keep your self-esteem low, the opponent can gauge it and it can defend. So attitude is important everywhere.
Okay, Karishma, what are your goals for upcoming years considering your age still young today?
I want to be world badminton champion, and my goal is to bring our India an Olympic gold medal. And so for now, I'm keeping myself motivated and taking step by steps towards it.
Okay, Karishma, what's your qualification and how are you managing your studies along with your sports?
I completed my SSC in 2018 and secured distinction. and also HSC exams in 2020 and passed with distinction. And I used to train for 7 to 8 hours of badminton. Along with study, I used to do for 2 to 3 hours at night. And now I'm going to complete my graduation along with my sports.
Good. Okay, Karishma, what are your future plans?
I want to be world badminton champion, as I said, and I will give my best for that. And also, I like to train people badminton. So we are planning to build a badminton court. And since we all know Japan is very small populated country compared to our India, their 5 to 6 age group people skill test has been held. Like for example, if student like science subject, then they will only take subject science. And if a student likes sports, then they will pursue their career only in sports. So that's why international like Olympics held there, and there are 100 to 200 medals. Compared to our India, we have 130 crore of population and we have only 2 to 3 medals. So we want to change that. That's why we are building a school, college and sports for skilled student who can pursue their dream and also bring our India a medal.
Okay. Okay, Karishma, what are your expectations?
I always continue my practice, but since I am from ordinary family, there is a wall of high cost in front of my parents, and my parents always support me, but I want some organization or sponsorship to help me, and I will definitely do the same. And also it will benefit even more other players who can't pursue their dreams because of lack of money, and it will benefit them too.
Okay, Karishma, last but not the least, one last question to you. What is your message to others?
We all have dreams, but in order to achieve them, we should be focused and self-disciplined and motivated. And also in life, there will be struggles in order to achieve our goals, but we should never give up on them. And also in order to become successful player has to spend 10,000 hours of his or her time on court and ground for practice with complete dedication.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Karishma. Thank you for spending your valuable time. Once again, on behalf of IBTV, I congratulate you and thank you for spending your precious time. And one day, definitely hope you will come in flying colors and you will be one of the best badminton player in the world.
Thank you very much for your kind words and thank you for this opportunity.